Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the power button circuit board from a Dell Venue 11 Pro version 7139. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, pry up and unsnap the access door. Then slide the latch over and remove the battery. Now remove cable doors. Next, unplug the cables. Now unscrew bottom base screws. Then carefully separate the base from the screen. Next, unplug cable. Now unscrew and remove power button circuit board. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.